In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore Airtable bases that you may have accidentally deleted. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable's website. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, it works the same way. Once the page loads, click the Login button and enter your credentials to access your account. After you're signed in, you'll land on your main Airtable workspace, which shows all your active bases and recent projects. Now, to restore a deleted base, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. It might be your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the drop-down, select the option labeled Trash. This is where Airtable sends all bases you've deleted, so you can recover them if needed. Think of it like a recycle bin for your data. Inside the trash, you'll see a list of your recently deleted bases, each labeled with its original name and the date it was trashed. Scroll through until you locate the base you want to bring back. Once you've found it, click the Restore button next to that base. Airtable will then begin recovering it. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while it works. When the restoration is complete, you can close the trash by clicking the X or simply clicking back to your workspace. You'll now see the table you restored right there alongside your other active bases, fully intact and ready to use. All your records, fields, and views should be exactly as you left them before deletion. I want to mention that restoring a deleted Airtable base is easiest when it's recovered soon after deletion, so don't wait too long. For extra protection, consider setting up regular backups and snapshots of your important data. This can save you a lot of stress if something gets accidentally removed down the line. You've now successfully restored your Airtable base, and it's back in action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.